Hey everyone, so today we just thought we'd make a flat white for you because I'm in the mood for one myself. My wife has made loads of these now. We've only had the Barista Maker for a few weeks and this is one of her favourite ones along with the mocha and the hot chocolate, so we're a little bit better at making them now. We don't quite reach the quality of this in presentation, but we'll give it a go. It's a dead easy recipe. It's just 100 in one capsule of ristretto. You could pour it as a 25ml or a 40ml. To keep things simple, we're going to do 40. 100ml of cold semi-skim milk. And if we look down here, it just says it's all about microfoam. And that is where the Barista Maker does seem to come into its own. The foam it creates is completely different to the Aeroccino 4 or the Aeroccino 3. It seems a lot... a commenter described it as more of a wet foam, and perhaps that is accurate. But it's really nice drink, so we'll get on and make it now. Like I say, dead simple. One capsule of ristretto. We've poured out 100ml of milk already. Just semi-skimmed. I'm not sure if we made this in another video or not, but I thought it was good to do an individual video for someone who's just looking for this recipe and how to make it. Perhaps you've got your Barista Maker for the first time. So this probably takes a couple of minutes to whiz the milk up, so make sure you pour your coffee out at the right time so it's not going cold in the meantime. Probably when we start hearing it really go fast at the end, it whips it up like this, the milk, and then at the end it starts to like go really fast and almost take off. But we're really impressed with it since we've had this, to be honest. My wife, before, she couldn't really drink flat whites using the Aeroccinos because the milk was so frothy, it didn't really agree with her very well. But since we've had this, it's almost... She used to always use the Virtuo machine, and now it's like a 50-50 split, which is not good for my supply of original capsules. They're getting demolished quite quickly. But it's nice that she can use the machine, because I prefer the coffee out the original machines, and it's nice that she can actually use it and enjoy it with the milk from the Barista Maker. So I think now might be a good time to pour the coffee. Like I say, just one shot of ristretto. These are the View cups, by the way, in case you've not seen those before, from Nespresso. We do mention it a lot, but we're getting new subscribers all the time. So there's a video where we unbox all of those on our channel page, so you can check that out if you want to. If you just listen now, look, this is whipping up really fast, finishing the process off. And the whisk inside the Barista Maker is massive and really sturdy as well. It's completely different to the little springy whisks. Not that they break, you know, the Aeroccinos, they last for ages if you look after them, but it is a different type of whisk. So we'll get that out quickly now. Done. Don't let that foam start disintegrating. It's probably the wrong word, but you know what I mean. We'll try and get that dot in the middle. It tends to spill out a bit, but if you just have a look on top, and then back down below now as it's settling down, get a real nice look at that texture. It is really good, the flat white on the Barista Maker, I've got to admit, but it is an expensive machine. But we hope that we found that useful. If you're thinking about buying it, you know, we hope that that's giving you, again, a little bit more insight. If you've bought one already and you just wanted to know how to make it your first use, quickly get on with it. There we go. I hope this helped you. Please like the video if you've liked it. Subscribe to the channel. We don't want you missing any more upcoming videos. We've got loads on the channel now for you to go and have a look at. You can binge watch them if you want. A few people said they've been doing that, which I find that's really nice. But thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and bye for now.